Now the next tool on our list of tools on the toolbar is the Path Selection tool. However, this one is used primarily in graphic arts application and therefore is beyond the scope of this course. So let's go to the next one down, and it is the Rectangle tool. And there's quite a bit down here on the drop-down list. You've got rectangles, rounded rectangles, ellipses, polygons, lines, and custom shape tools. Let's go ahead and start with the Ellipse tool because they all work exactly the same. So when I show you the attributes for one, they are applicable to all of them. So we'll begin with the Ellipse tool, and we'll just draw an oval here, just about like that, and we can reposition it ever so slightly by coming up here, and I want to leave a little bit of the Y from Yosemite sticking out there just to give it a little bit of a unique look. Push it up just a bit further, right about there, and I don't like the color, so let's go ahead and change that. And we'll come up here and click to reveal the palettes. And what color do I want to use? That's not terribly bad. So let's go ahead and use that one. And I don't like the solid color. I'd rather have like a gradient type appearance. So let's go ahead and click on that, see what that looks like. And we can use either black and white, which I definitely don't like, or I can put some color in there, which is nice. But let's edit this thing to really make it pop a little bit. I want to change this color right here to a darker brown to about something like this. Except I want the bright part of the oval to be on the top rather than the bottom. So what we're going to do is simply reverse these. See how that works? I'm going to reverse all of this stuff. And let's bring this down to give this more, well, I don't like that. Ah, much better. Okay, so now that we fixed that, we can come out of it. And the next thing we're going to do is go to our Layers palette, and we're going to copy the layer style from layer 1, which is the text, to the layer style on our new ellipse. And all we have to do is click the top layer, right-click, copy layer style, find the ellipse, right-click, paste style, and there you have it. Instantly done. And it matches the lettering. I like that a little better. So just one way of demonstrating what you have available to you in the Rectangle tool and everything that is below it. And it's very, very similar to the Marquee Rectangle tool up here. But notice the only two choices you have are the rectangle or the elliptical. Down here you have, rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and line, and custom. So you have a whole lot more to choose from. And of course the options bar gives you the ability to really put some variation in whatever shape you want to draw on your image. And there you have the Rectangle tool in Photoshop CS6.